Welcome back, people. Another day, another full service. What we got today? Say it. A Ibiza. Nice easy one. Got old Hazard. Just looking real happy this morning, aren't you, kid? Miserable git. So nothing too bad. But if you guys are like me, not a big fan of these ones. Just annoying. They look easy to get out. They're just a bit fiddly. Like they just get stuck. Okay. Bit of coolant in your life, top your levels up, nothing major. Let's see what I can show you, but I think it's gonna be a whole lot, quite standard. And we'll be back. Yummy. Okay, look at it. The gap on there. Nice big gap on that. Just like Harry's mum. Oh yeah. Work it. Bit of Phillips on your air film. I feel like I'm stealing Harold's job right now. Look at that. I feel like I'm stealing your job, mate. Who the fuck? Oh. I mean, he's so aggressive. He's just swear words. Oh, Harry. Oh, Harry. Everyone's getting stuff in the way. Let's say they can't turn a two-man job into a one-man job. One-man job into a two-man job, Nice and easy. Don't use impacts on these though, people, because you will just absolutely strip the backside out of them. Because, yes, easily done. Imagine that, just straight freaking impact them in. What a bell end. And there she blows. So yeah, just pop that, breathe the pipe off, a couple of Phillips head screws, and there be your air filter, people. Look at that. Let's see how gross it is. Ooh, tasty. Yummy. It's not the worst I've seen, so we'll let it. It's all good. It's all good. See you in a second. Old one, new one, new plugs. Yummy. Okay. Nice and tasty pollen filter. That's the new one. I'm only joking. Obviously. Duh. Jeez. And then it is, just in case you want to see where it is, right up here. So just under the glovey. Take that off, which is these little sliding tabs. These move, just in case you wanted to know. And then you push it on, locks it back in place. Simple as that, guys. Nice and easy. Peace. And there we have it, guys. Nice, easy. 19mm spanner on that. I've already cracked it loose because it's a bit boring for you to probably watch. So that was a nice little bit of an oil drainer. I'm going to try and not get this all over my bloody fingers because I ran out of freaking gloves. Look at that. Perfect. Just what the doctor ordered. Look at that. Tell you what, if it was pink and furry, I'd never miss because straight on the money. Peace. And just to be awkward, these ones can be a bit tricky to get into, these oil filters, but they've got a nice big socket on the end of them, so you can normally get them from the top of the big ratchet. But yeah, we'll see you in a sec. Just in case you're wondering, look. So, nice new sump plug. 19mm spanner. Perfect. Exactly what the doctor ordered. Replace your bung plug. Butt plug. So, this is on the new oil filter, just so I was going to show you. It's a bit easier to show you in the back of the van. So you see here, on the top of it here, 32mm socket. Bit easier to get in, because if you're trying to get your hand on it, it's quite tight and there's just no room. Because you've got the back of the alternator there, you've got the cats in the way. Just get a socket on your ratchet. Easiest thing you can do. So this is how I did it. Obviously, don't tighten these oil filters up with a ginormous bar like this, because you just end up snapping some shit. But to get them off, it's alright. Nice flex head, makes life a little bit easier. So, as always, like I've said to you before anyway, make sure you're doing your services and stuff, because here's another one we found. Look at it. As we see here, that's the rear shock. I'll take you under here. Look at that. Look how wet that is. Absolutely sopping of oil. It's actually dripping. Look, see it? That's fully blown. So that is, as they say, cream bloody crackered, mate. So that's the job we've got to quote up for the customer. Did find obviously the near side drive shaft seal starting to weep a bit as well, but it's only just starting. But yeah, get your checks done every year, guys, and especially again, it's no surprise when you come to MOT time and you're just kind of prepared, and all being well, you get the pass straight away instead of having to faff around and lose your car for a day or two. See you shortly. Peace. Again, not sure if you'll be able to see the intervals there, but timing belt on this, it's actually not got a recommended period for some reason, but from experience I'd recommend doing it every 5-6 years or so for VWs anyway. The engine oil is 3.2 litres with the filter, so that's including the filter, so just over 3 litres. That's all you need. And yeah, job done, guys. So just in case you guys know or don't know, maybe this is for the DIYers if you got an Ibiza, see here, so this is how you're checking your dipstick level. So it's got, you want it just before the end of these dots here. It's your safe area. So I always go just a little bit before. Obviously you've got a bit of expansion from the oil when it gets hot. And obviously you're checking it on the dipstick down here. Nothing too major. Nice dip. You can see there. It's just where we want it. Job done, guys.